Okay, so are you ready to witness the achievement and satisfaction of solving this 5D puzzle? Because in this next video, you will witness the achievement and satisfaction of solving this 5D puzzle. Please be aware, there could be the odd swearing from time to time. I could not help but not be PG about it, because this is such a crazy puzzle. But in this next video, you will witness the achievement and satisfaction of solving this 5D puzzle. Here we go. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh, I cannot explain. It's been nearly 2 months solving this puzzle, and we're up to this stage. We're almost done solving. Oh my god. We just have to double RKT this 3 to 3 in the middle. Oh my god. I'm speechless. So just to clarify what I'm doing, let's just turn on some cells. So we have the side fully oriented. This is the inner cell of the 3 to the 4 that was RKT, right? Kind of picture that. That we need a double RKT. So if we turn on the blue layers, that's the inside. That's the inside of this tesseract. The inside cell of this tesseract. And you can see that's solved, but one layer needs to be permuted, which is that the double RKT 3 to the 3 solved. Our green is fully solved. We've got that all solved because we've done F2L. That's like your outside cell. So in the middle here is what we've oriented first. It's like the inner cell, or inner hypercell of this 3 to the 5. The foremost outside of hypercell of this 3 to the 5 is V+, which is that. If we turn everything on, it looks like that. That's what we're up to right now. It does look solved, but it's not solved because we've still got to do, like, you know, these ones in here. So let's just turn everything off again and let's just break it down. Let's just solve this inner puzzle. This inner 3 to the 3. Let's double RKT it. If I don't save it, then shoot. Save. And I might do a backup actually. Save as. Let's go. Okay, I saved the backup. Alright, let's do this. Okay. So we're going to permute this in a 3 to the 4, the 2Cs, and then we can solve it like a 3 to the 3, double RKT. So I notice there's a red there, and if I look at my progress, I think I've solved all the 3Cs. No, I haven't solved all the... Oh, that's right, no, because I got to permute the 2Cs. That's right. Okay. Got to permute the 2Cs. bring this back. I should have all the two sets permuted. So now we should have the. We shouldn't have actually, because we're going to fix this. So I guess I'm just going to solve it with this undone, and then see what it's like at the end. What the parity is going to be like. Because I don't know. I don't know what's going to be like. So I guess we just solve it like a 3 to the 3, but double RKT it. So now it should just be a 3 to the 3 in the middle. We've got the two sets permuted. Now we'll start with purple. Yeah, okay, I've got all the cross pieces in. Yay. Now, we are doing F2L again. Oh my god, I've done F2L like probably so many times in this puzzle. There it is. So, we're going to do the 3 more F2L pairs. Right, last F2L pair. Do an I1 move, and oh my god, I'm almost done. Holy shit, I've got F2L done. Oh my god, got F2L done. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm almost done this puzzle. I'm almost done this puzzle. Oh my god, I'm almost done this puzzle. I just got one more layer to go. I got one more layer to go, and I'm done. I'm gonna save it. Oh, oh, oh. Alright. Yeah, this puzzle's almost done. Yeah. Oh my god. I hope I don't get a stupid RKT parity algorithm at the end. I hope it's not anything. I hope it's not too hard. I just hope it's a 180 or something. Oh my god. I'm almost done. I think I'm just going to use macros for the cross and that. It's just too much to do for the algorithms to do by hand. But I'll do the last algorithm double RKT. How about that? Okay. We have an L shape. Okay, we're going to L shape. We have an L shape. So I'm going to set the L shape up. Hold up. And then I'm going to do double RKT cross alg macro. Let's see what that comes up with. Oh my god, we're getting there. Holy shit, yeah, we got the cross. Oh man, this is awesome. Oh, this is getting this is intensifying. Then we just got a scene for the pink. Oh, what? Oh my god. Oh, are you serious? Oh god, I think I've come up with something very... Oh my god, what the hell? It's not even a soon. It's a headlight side soon. What the heck is this? Oh shoot, how the heck do I fix this? Oh shit. Oh, there's one corner that's like twisted. And it's not even like... What? There's one corner that's twisted. There's a twisted corner because there's a pink there, there's a pink there, and there's a pink there. I could figure it out myself, but I just... Oh my god, I just want to get this done. It's been like 2 months already. It's a 5D mono twist. I think. No. Alright, so I looked up on YouTube for the single corner twist alg. Apparently it's a lot of moves. The macro is pretty big. Okay, let's see. I think this corner here is going to be twisted. So if we... Okay, we've got this one here, and this one here. It twists sort of counterclockwise. So I've got my macro down here that I made, and I did look at that video. Let's see if this works. So I'm going to go boom, like that, and then I'm going to go like this. Then I'm going to go undo this. Okay, and then I'm going to just bring these back. Okay, well, it magically twists corners. It twists corners. It literally twists corners on this puzzle. It twists this back corner here. What do you think? It just twists corners. Like, it literally just comes along and just twists the corner. So if we twist this one more time, like this, so if the pink here goes to here, that means it would be a nice thing. And then we can continue with our solving. Shout out to Charles Dewan for that. We are going to do it again. So I've named it 5D monoflip because, you know, it's twisting corners. Oh god, sometimes it does not do it. Okay, yeah, it's twisted that. Then we're going to go, and we're going to undo that. So we're going to reverse that. It literally just twists corners. Oh my god, this is crazy. So that should be correct now to be a thing. So we have made it into a sink. We're almost done with this puzzle. We are almost done with this puzzle. I keep saying it. But yeah. Now we're gonna double RKT, and I need to see what soon I've got. So I'm gonna turn it around here. There's a pink here. Okay, so it's a normal soon. There, there, and there. So we're gonna go to the double RKT soon macro that I made. So let's do that. And that orients everything in this whole thing. Let's turn this back to where it was. I've just got the corners permuted. We've got the corners, we've basically just got the edges left. We've got the edges left. Oh my god, we're almost done. Oh my god. And I didn't have to deal with parity. Holy shit. I'm gonna save this. This is this way. I'm gonna do a something like that. That is wrong because it does not go together nicely. We are almost done with this puzzle. It's crazy. Oh my god. Okay, we have got a U-perm. We have got one little U-perm left. We have got one little U-perm. Okay. I'm just going to do the U-perm. It's not the last algorithm, so I won't do the full. I won't do the macro list last algorithm. If I go like this, set it up like that, move that back. I'm going to do the double RKT U-perm, which is going to get these into place. Okay, that's done. Oh, hang on, what? Hang on, I'm going to reverse that. Okay, turn it back like that, and then do it. Yeah, okay, that worked. Okay, sometimes this program tends to be a bit like that. Oh my god, we are almost done. Flipping how we've pretty much permuted the last cell. We've permuted the last cell. Oh my god, I'm almost done. Alright. It looks like it's just a UI move, so we'll bring this out and do the UI to fix that. Bring the UI back. Come on. Oh my god. Okay, I know what to do. Okay, it's a double RKT parity here. Okay, yes. We're good, we're good. Okay, this one. Okay. I'm so close. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so close. I'm gonna turn it like this. And I'm gonna go, oh actually no, this one. I'm gonna do this one. And I'm gonna go 1, 2. Oh. It's wrong there. U. Prime. U. R. Oops. U2. Prime. My heart is beating so fast. U. 2. Oh my god. I'm gonna turn on the faces. Oh. Oh yes. The last move. The final move of this puzzle. Oh dude. Oh, I can't quite see it from this angle. But are we rolling? Yes, we are rolling. Okay. The final move of this puzzle. Uh, 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 yes! Oh, oh, I solved the 5D Rubik's Cube. Oh my god. Oh, 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 yes! Oh, dude. Oh, 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 yes! Oh, oh, oh. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Ah, I solved it. Damn, that was flippin' difficult. Ah, I can't even walk properly. Holy shoot. So, it tells you 5D Rubik's Cube is solved. Oh my god. And then, you know, this, it's just a walk in the park, you know, 3 dimensions. Ah, almost tripped. Solved it. I solved it. I solved it. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 fuck. Yes. Oh, ah. Look at right there. Congratulations, you have achieved the ultimate super nerd status. Take a few moments to space out of the ridiculous of what you've just accomplished then. Holy flipped. That's just insane. If you ever get into 5 dimensions, if you ever I suggest you do take the challenge. It's a huge jump from 4 dimensions. 5 dimensions is ridiculous. Um, like, it's taken me 2 months and a half to solve this puzzle. Um, I'm over the moon. I'm just, oh, oh, such a good feeling. Oh, oh man. Yes. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Oh, 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 it feels so good. Okay, I'm not doing. I'm probably not going to go to 60 because. No, not going to 60. Not going to 60.